want to know how to make the most delicious fat-free tortilla chips and fat-free ranch dip, like so, keep watching, don't go nowhere. Okay, so I laid out a little aluminum foil, and just so I can place my corn tortillas on it, because I'm going to be spraying it with Pam. So I'm going to take 3 of these. I use white corn tortilla because it's much better than the yellow corn, especially on Weight Watchers. This is a simply filling food. Okay, so I'm going to place 3 of them down. I'm going to take my Pam, and I'm just going to give it a little bit of a spray. And then you can use any seasoning that you want. Today I am using garlic salt. I'm just using a little bit, but you can use anything. You can use cayenne pepper, salt, pepper, anything that you want. And just going to sprinkle it just like so. I'm going to place them on top of each other, just like this. See, just like that. This way the flavor can get in on the other side. Now I'm taking my pizza cutter. I bought this at, I believe, the Dollar Tree for $1. Hello! And just cut through them, just like that. Make little triangles. You can keep them this big, or you can make them smaller. I like them smaller. See, just like that. Just like that. There we go. Cut them. They don't even have to be triangles. You can make little strips. They don't have to be even. Nothing, but this is what it looks like. You can do that too. You can put a little more Pam on them because you want them to crisp up nice. All right. Awesome. Now, let's get to the air fryer. Okay, so I'm taking my tortillas and I'm just putting them in the air fryer. I believe I'll do 300. 300, we're going to do 8 minutes. We'll come back in 4 minutes and check on it. There it goes. It's air frying time. You can do a dance while you wait for it to happen. You know, that's good too, right? Maybe do some exercise. You can get like 8 minutes in. Do 4 minutes. You know, do 4 minutes of exercise, drink your water, and then go back, you know, and you get 8 minutes of exercise in. Just a suggestion, okay? We'll be back. Okay, so this is after 4 minutes. We definitely have to put it in for another 4 minutes. Here we go. So all we have to do is close it, and it goes right back on. Okay, so while the air fryer is cooking for another 4 minutes, I'm going to make the delicious non-fat, really fat-free ranch dip that will knock your socks off. And what you need is fat-free sour cream, which I really don't like the consistency of fat-free sour cream, but in this recipe it is just amazing, and the consistency of the sour cream is just, it doesn't even make a difference. You would think it's regular sour cream. So we have this. We're going to use half a cup. Let's see if I can get it up. Okay, half a cup. There's a half a cup. I got my pretty little heart thing. We'll just pour it in. This whole thing might be half a cup. I don't know. This is a small one. Okay, so let's just say, right? We got half a cup. Pour that in there. Now, fat-free sour cream is a free, is a simply filling food, so you don't have to worry about how much to eat of this. So you can even go for a cup of this if you wanted, whatever you want. And then this came in a 2-pack, so I have to put it together. It's the Hidden Valley Dips Ranch, and this is 0 points. Oh my gosh, you can have up to, I believe it's like 10 tablespoons, and it'll still be 0 points. So for this recipe, we're only going to use 1 tablespoon. And it's okay if you go a little over. And again, it's really to your taste. That's it. I think there is only 1 tablespoon left in here. And it. Now, if it's a little too ranchy, then you can put more sour cream in it. But this seems to be perfect. Oh my gosh, look at that. Just look at that. The taste is amazing. This is great for parties because if you make the tortillas with this dip, come on. I'm gonna taste it. And this is my dip, so I can taste, I can double dip it. I can do whatever I want. Oh my gosh. This is also good to put, oh, I think I need a little more sour cream. I think that's a little too, yeah, okay. Yeah, this is mine. So what I can do is I can put this in a salad bottle, like a salad dressing bottle, and I can use it as a salad dressing. I can make it a little thinner if I wanted, maybe put like a little bit of skim milk on it, and make it into a salad dressing and just use that instead of the fattening salad dressings. All right, so I think my tortillas are going to be done in 2 seconds, so let's go over there. Let's see if it's done. Oh yeah, look, would you look? Come on, tortillas, what? We're gonna put them right in the bowl. Look at that, nice toasted tortillas. Do you see that? Look at that. Okay, it's done and I'm ready. I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to eat. This is what makes me happy. Eating foods that I don't have to sit there and say, oh, I can only have 2 ounces of this or only 5 chips. I can't live like that. I want to be able to sit down, watch my movie and eat and not feel guilty. And so, look at this. What? Look at that. How delicious do these look? Really? Look at this. And you can see the seasoning on them. Let's see if we can get a closer. Yeah, look at that. I don't know if it's focusing, but whatever. So let's try this out, okay? Look, oh my gosh. Look at this. Look, look, look. Ready? What? Delicious. So delicious. And you can also have salsa because salsa is free too. So let's try the salsa too. What? Here we go. Tastes amazing, really. You want some? Do you want some? Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'm gonna go eat. Okay? See you in my next video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.